Door freak show. I just got a new door put in yesterday, and it already broke because the wind is so strong today. I was sitting in here before working on something, and that door was shut, and I had this door open, and a gust came through that actually pushed, because the garage door isn't really secured yet. It pushed the door in like an inch or two, and so air could get in there on the sides, and the wind took this door and whipped it shut, and it slammed, and it went past the trim, and so it just, you know, the trim here, it just pushed it off. So now I gotta fix that. I don't have any of those nails on hand, so we're gonna have to just I'll just put like a 2x4 up for now so that the door doesn't break, and then I'll get some of those nails and I'll fix it correctly. Of course, today would be a nice day to fix it correctly because it's warm today, but I don't have what I need. So we'll just take these out. Okay, I guess we can't take those out because they just break. Alright, I guess we'll just hammer them in because they don't come out. I guess you can't shut that off when it's full. That's pretty stupid. Stupid electronic controls. Let's see, it'll be under the trim. Oh wow, those are long nails. That's not what I was expecting. No wonder they don't come out. This side got messed up and the top got messed up too. Although the top, I think I can recover it. I don't have to take it back off. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll just put this in place of the trim for now so that the door is operational. It's going to slam again as soon as I let go of this thing. Okay, here, that should prevent it from getting screwed up again. Good. Okay, that's fixed for now until I get new nails, and then we'll fix it correctly. Never a dull moment, always something breaking.